Hey there, beach lovers and adventure seekers. Today, we're diving into the vibrant world of Viva Maya by Wyndham, an all-inclusive resort that's making waves in the stunning Riviera Maya. Nestled in the Playa Car complex, just a stone's throw from the bustling heart of Playa del Carmen, this resort promises a perfect blend of relaxation and excitement. So, grab your virtual sunscreen and let's explore what makes this Mexican getaway a hotspot for travelers. Let's start with the rooms, shall we? Viva Maya offers a range of contemporary-style accommodations that'll make you feel right at home in paradise. While we don't have the exact room categories, we know that each space is designed with comfort in mind. Picture this: you're lounging on your private balcony or terrace, sipping a cool drink and soaking in either lush garden views or the mesmerizing blue of the Caribbean Sea. Inside, you'll find all the modern conveniences you need: air conditioning to keep you cool in that tropical heat, a flat-screen TV for those lazy evenings, and a refrigerator to keep your drinks chilled. Now here's a little tidbit for our family travelers. They offer connecting rooms, so you can keep the kids close without sacrificing your personal space. It's like having your cake and eating it too, or in this case, having your family vacation and your privacy. Now, let's talk about what really matters on vacation: the food and drinks. Viva Maya doesn't disappoint when it comes to satisfying your taste buds. The resort boasts several on-site restaurants serving up a delicious mix of local Mexican flavors and international cuisine. Start your day at Café Maya, where breakfast is served with a side of tropical vibes. As the day progresses, you'll have plenty of options to explore. Fancy a poolside snack? The swim-up bar has got you covered. Need a pre-dinner cocktail? Head to the lobby bar for a refreshing drink. While we don't have the specific names of all the restaurants, we can tell you that the dining options here are as diverse as the guests. From casual beachside bites to more upscale dinner experiences, there's something to satisfy every craving. And let's not forget about those theme nights and live entertainment, because nothing says vacation like enjoying a delicious meal while being serenaded by local musicians or watching a vibrant cultural performance. When it comes to cooling off, Viva Maya has you covered with multiple pools that cater to every type of swimmer. There's an adult pool for those seeking a bit of peace and quiet, and a kids' pool where the little ones can splash to their heart's content. And let's not forget the piece de resistance, the swim-up bar, because nothing says luxury like ordering a piña colada without ever leaving the pool. But wait, there's more. The resort boasts a pristine white sand beach that's practically begging you to leave footprints in it. Whether you're a sun worshiper looking to work on your tan or an adventure seeker ready to dive into some water sports, this beach has got you covered. Speaking of water sports, get ready for some serious fun. You can spike your way through a game of beach volleyball, test your balance with some paddleboarding, or explore the underwater world with snorkeling and scuba diving. It's like having your own personal aquatic playground right at your doorstep. Now, let's talk about activities, because Viva Maya is all about keeping you entertained. Fitness enthusiasts, rejoice! The resort offers fitness classes to help you stay in shape while on vacation, because we all know those all-inclusive buffets can be tempting. Tennis lovers can serve up some fun on the courts, and if you've ever dreamed of running away with the circus, you can even try your hand at trapeze lessons. Yes, you read that right, trapeze lessons. It's not every day you get to channel your inner acrobat while on vacation. But the fun doesn't stop there. The resort keeps the energy high with theme parties and live shows. So, whether you're in the mood to dance the night away or sit back and enjoy some top-notch entertainment, Viva Maya has got you covered. After all that excitement, you might be in need of some relaxation. That's where the Renova Spa or Necui Spa comes in. While we don't have the specifics on all the treatments available, we can assure you that these spas are designed to help you unwind and rejuvenate. Imagine melting away your stress with a soothing massage, or treating yourself to a facial that leaves your skin glowing brighter than the Mexican sun. It's the perfect way to pamper yourself after a day of beach volleyball and trapeze swinging. For our younger guests, Viva Maya offers a world of fun at the Viva Kids Club. This supervised program for children aged 4 to 12 ensures that the little ones have just as much fun as the adults. While mom and dad are sipping cocktails by the pool, the kids can be making new friends, playing games, and participating in age-appropriate activities. It's a win-win situation. The kids are entertained, and the parents get some much-needed relaxation time. And let's be honest, sometimes the best souvenir from a family vacation is the peace and quiet. Now, let's venture beyond the resort, because the location of Viva Maya is truly one of its strongest selling points. Just a short distance away, you'll find the vibrant town of Playa del Carmen. This is where you can immerse yourself in local culture, do some shopping, or enjoy the bustling nightlife. For those who love a bit of retail therapy, the Plaza Playa Car and Playa Car Center shopping mall are nearby. And if you're up for a bit of exploration, the stunning Rio Palace Mexico Beach is also within reach. The best part? The resort is only about 60 kilometers from Cancun International Airport, making it easily accessible for international travelers. So, what's the verdict on Viva Maya by Wyndham? Well, it's a bit of a mixed bag, but mostly in a good way. The resort scores high points for its vibrant atmosphere and the sheer variety of activities on offer. Whether you're a beach bum, a foodie, or an adventure seeker, there's something here for you. The location is another big plus, close enough to the action of Playa del Carmen, but far enough away to feel like a true escape. The multiple pools, beach access, and water sports options are definite highlights, as is the kids club for family travelers. However, like any resort, it's not without its quirks. Some guests have reported issues with service quality and have been less than impressed with the drink options. The overall TripAdvisor rating of 4.1 out of 5, based on nearly 12,000 reviews, suggests that while most guests have a great time, there's still room for improvement. The resort ranks number 2 out of 2 all-inclusives in Playa Car, which might raise an eyebrow or two. But here's the thing. What makes Viva Maya stand out is its commitment to providing a lively, activity-filled vacation experience. It's not trying to be a quiet, secluded retreat. Instead, it embraces the energy and excitement that many travelers are looking for in a Mexican beach vacation. The theme parties, live entertainment, and variety of dining options all contribute to this vibrant atmosphere. One unique selling point worth mentioning is the resort's focus on sustainability. They've implemented environmentally friendly practices, including recycling and responsible water consumption. So, you can enjoy your vacation knowing that efforts are being made to protect the beautiful environment you've come to enjoy. When it comes to events and conference facilities, while we don't have specific details, it's worth noting that many resorts of this caliber do offer options for business travelers or those looking to host events. If this is something you're interested in, it's best to check directly with the resort for the most up-to-date information. Now, let's talk about some guest experience highlights. While we don't have specific anecdotes, the high ratings for location, 4.5, and cleanliness, 4.3, suggest that many guests appreciate the resort's setting and maintenance. The variety of activities, from water sports to trapeze lessons, often leaves a lasting impression on guests looking for an active vacation. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give it thumbs up. Subscribe for more travel-related content. If you are not ready to book this hotel, you can watch our Best Hotels playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.